Thank you so much. It's an honor to be here at the Serenade done by, again, Floyd Dias, and along with Ryan D'Souza, and also along with Social Repertoire, Rajan Salim, and Pranav Patel. It's a great event to be here. This is the second time that the Ford has done it. One was done in 2022, and now we're doing it over here. It's a great Christmas spirit. As you can hear, the great Christmas songs going behind me. And it's a fantastic opportunity for all the community to come together and live through the spirit with a hope, love, and togetherness. I wish you all Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you.
Wish you a Merry Christmas. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas.
We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas.
Of my heart. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas.
My sleep in heavenly peace. Sleep in heavenly peace.
Silent night, holy night. In the laughter, in the laughter, hearing sound of the smile, having all these before you.
Silver bound. It's really nice to see people participating for the Serenade. I like to wish each and every one a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
या क्रिसमसाक आमी वेगळे कितें तरी चिंतपाची गरज आसा जेणे करून आमचो गांव आमचें राज आमचो देश आमी सांबाळपाची गरज आसा सगळें वायट सोडून आमी ह्या क्रिसमसाक नवे आपणावया आनीक आदले भशेन खुशाल जियोया.
Wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.